In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Figma. To begin, open any browser on your system and go to the search bar. Type in Download Figma and hit Enter on your keyboard. After that, you'll see a list of search results appear. Look for the official Figma website link at the top of the results and click on it to go to the official Figma download page. Once you're on the Figma website, scroll down and you will be able to choose the version of Figma that you want to install based on your operating system. For example, if you're using Windows, you can select the desktop app for Windows. Click on that option, and your browser will begin downloading the Figma setup file automatically. Wait for the setup file to download completely. Once the download is finished, go to your system's Downloads folder and locate the Figma setup file. Double-click on the setup file to begin the installation process. Just follow the prompts on your screen and wait while Figma installs on your device. The installation process usually takes just a few moments. After the installation is complete, Figma will be ready to use. However, you need to have a Figma account in order to start working in the app. If you already have an account, click on Login with Browser and you'll be redirected to your web browser to log in. If you don't have an account yet, click on the option to create one. You can create a Figma account either with your Google account or by using your email address. Once you've signed up or logged in, you'll see an option on your screen that says Open the desktop app. Click on it, then click on Open Figma, and your desktop app will launch successfully. That's how you can download, install, and start using Figma on your device without any issues.